Okay, another short video for the Brisas Guardalavaca Hotel, the ocean view room. So we start, this is the main entrance, it's smart key. You have a lock and then you have here, it's good they give you shampoo, body lotion and soap. The toilet behind there, and here they give you 4 towels. So 4 towels, this is for shower, and this one here, they have hot temperature saying it's 50 degree. Okay, and then the light is okay. You have the storage here or closet with safe. At the safe you pay $2 a day if you want to use it, so it's not included in your package. There is iron and an iron board there. Okay, hangers, few of them, and extra pillows here, extra pillows, which I didn't realize. Okay, so same thing here, extra blanket, and this is stand mirror here, just this one here, stand mirror, 2 beds, okay, and 2 night tables with phone, plugs for charging. You have another mirror here. You have a TV, smart TV, I think through the Wi-Fi. You have small fridge here. This is the smaller fridge, and you have a coffee machine. They supply, actually, the only thing I seen is tea. I didn't see coffee, so maybe. And then you have 2 seats here, and then 2 chairs for the balcony here. And this is through the balcony, what you see here. And then we'll open the door, and it's not bad, the balcony here. And this is the view you will see from your room. Okay, so this is the view you see from the room. Okay, so and so here is this building, a snack bar, snack bar, yeah, and drink bar. And also on the other side is the Cubano restaurants, the swimming pool. One of the one is from, and then there you have the club where you can use those boats for free, part of your package. And that's how this is the east block, which looks similar to this one here. And then basically this all the way in this direction there are villas and beach seat, and then that's the activity stage, and that's what you see. If you're sitting here in your chair, you can see here. You sleep, you leave the you sleep and you leave the door open, you will be listening to the ocean and the breeze, the ocean waves, I guess. Okay, so that's this is how it looks. By the way, they give you 2 beach towels, the blue ones there, and you can change them every day if you want, or so you have to go downstairs and change them. Okay, let me know what do you think. I think it's a good place. I recommend it. I didn't see an issue with it, but it's classified as 4 star.